In this video, I'll show you how to convert Figma design to HTML and CSS. Start by opening Figma and going to your drafts. From there, open the design file that you want to convert into code. Next, go to the bottom panel and click on Actions, or press Ctrl K on your keyboard. In the search bar, select Plugins and Widgets, then type TeleportHQ Figma to code. Once you find the plugin, click Run to launch it. A prompt will appear showing the elements in your design. If everything is already selected, simply click Export as New Project. If not, go back and select the specific layers or elements you want, then run the export again. After that, TeleportHQ will open in a new window. In the upper right corner, click on Code. If a subscription prompt appears, you can just close it. Then click on View Code. In the upper left dropdown, select HTML to see your generated code. You can now copy the HTML and paste it into your project. You can also locate to the CSS file to view and copy the styles used in your design. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Figma design into HTML and CSS code ready to use in your website or development project. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.